Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, what you need to do is that you have to move on setting. Then from here you can scroll down to sound and vibration. So here is the option of sound and vibration. So you just move on sound and vibration. After that, you are going to find the ringtone option. So click on ringtone. Then from here you are able to select any ringtone. So if you want to set, you just click double, okay? And if you want to hear, you just click like this single and the ringtone will be able to hear. And if you want to set, you have to click double, okay? It means twice, okay? Just click double and this ringtone will be applied successfully on your mobile phone. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.